Island fam, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Bust a Pot. This is a series where we make good things to eat, try out new recipes and also make up recipes of our own. Today we're going to make some hash browns. I don't know about all, but I real like hash browns. I real like hash browns. Brandon Sakura loves hash browns. Now I have baby pancake and she loves hash browns too. So I decided I'm going to make a batch of hash browns so that we could enjoy. For this recipe, what you're going to need are obviously potatoes, an egg, 4 tablespoons of flour, salt, pepper, any kind of other seasonings. I have onion and garlic. I also have some fresh green seasoning in the fridge that I'll be using. Oh, you also need some cheese. Make sure to grate that cheese. Yep. And you're going to need a cheesecloth and a bowl of cold water. So without further ado, let's get started making these hash browns. Woo! Yeah, I can't wait. Oh, I just love hash browns. I can't wait. So let's get started. Start off by peeling your potatoes. Then grate them on the big side of the grater. Grate. Take them, place them into a bowl with cold water. Wash them out to get out all the starch, and I forgot to do this part, but make sure to squeeze them out with a cheesecloth. I lost that footage. We're going to put the 4 tablespoons of flour, our pepper, salt, some Maggi seasoning, because I have Maggi seasoning, green seasonings. Now we're going to add some cheese. I end up putting real plenty cheese in this because I love cheese. So yeah, add as much cheese as you want. Put in some pepper sauce because it's Trinidad. We like pepper sauce. And we add in some eggs. Mix it up until everything is combined. Mix it well. Make sure the flour, the eggs, the seasonings, everything is just combined and looking good. Right. See? It's looking wonderful, isn't it? Yes. Now we're going to heat up a pan. And put the oil in the pan, let it heat. Yeah, make sure it's at least about a ½ inch thick or high. Now we're going to take the potato mixture and shape them in our hands before we place them into a frying pan. Shape them whatever shape you want. I tried to get them the regular hash brown shape. That didn't really work out, but you could shape them however you want. So now we're going to transfer these to the pot, people, where it's frying and looking good and smelling good and tasting good. So in the pot we go. That was me making the frying sound because it's a voiceover. Okay, so our first shout out goes to Fancy Pigeon and Birds. Second shout out goes to Nishi. And now our third shout out goes to Kami Maria. Thank you guys for following my channel. But these are my beautiful hash browns. Look at them. Aren't they wonderful? And I have my secret sauce that I use for dipping. It tastes real good, all you. It tastes real good. So guys, that's how I make my hash browns. They came out great. They were wonderful. They taste awesome, and I'm sure Pancake is going to love it. You can also make these pancakes and freeze them in your freezer without cooking them. Like portion them out and freeze them in your freezer, and always, you know, when you're ready, take out some, cook them and eat them. You could always do that like a meal prep situation, or you could just make it and instantly eat it. Like just make it now, eat it now. So thanks guys for watching. That was the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go down to that big red wood that says subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. Share this video with all of your friends. Like it if you like us, if you like me, if you like my shenanigans. Also, comment down below what you want to see me cook, make, or try on my Bust a Pot series. Looking for ideas now. So just put it in the comments down below and I will try it. I'm not the best cook in the world, but I could try a thing now. Also, come back every Sunday and Wednesday for another video. I know I have been lagging on when I'm posting my videos. I'm really sorry about this, mom life, and I really trying. So I will try to keep up with the dates on Sundays and Wednesdays of posting my videos. Every Sunday I will be posting a bust a pot in the series, and every Wednesday I'll post a vlog or a DIY or something. So I'll see you guys next time on the island. Bye bye.